Hello and welcome to First Success Tech channel. Today we are excited to dive into valuable topics 75 plus free digital marketing course by Google. There are multiple paid platforms for digital marketing. But today we're going to explore free digital marketing course with Google provided certificates. Number 1 free resources for digital marketing is Google Garage. Free online marketing and career courses Digital Garage. Click this link. If you click this link, you will see these types of interfaces. Before going to the courses, just register. See, 160 courses are available in Google Garages. Fundamentals of digital marketing, get your business online, make sure customer find you online, promote your business with online advertising, expand your business to other countries, connect with customers over mobile. There are lots of digital marketing free courses. This is not only the sources, it can also available in different categories. If you choose digital marketing, there is 22 courses. Career development, 99 courses available. You can also customize with length. It is an beginner friendly in digital marketing. Click this. 86 courses are available in beginner friendly for digital marketing. The main benefits of Google Garage is Google provider certificates. Second free resources for digital marketing is Coursera. Coursera is not only the paid course, it is also available in free courses. You have lots of free courses in Coursera. If you want digital marketing, use this. Click this. Google Digital Marketing and E-commerce Professional Certificate. It is 4.8 reviews. Here is lot of free courses for digital marketing. Financially aid available. You can click this and register. You can also select courses. Foundation of digital marketing and e-commerce. Attract and engage customers with digital marketing. From likes to leads, interact with customers online. Think outside the inbox, email marketing, access for success, marketing analytics and measurements, make the sale, build, launch and manage e-commerce store. 7. Satisfaction graduated, develop custom loyalty online. You can select whatever courses you need. And next. Continue to the application. You can fill all these details. Highest level of education, your annual income, employment status, apply for financial aid. You can fill all these details and next. You can open with this. This is also an beginner friendly. You can learn a lot of categories you need. Third resources for digital marketing is HubSpot Academy. HubSpot Academy homepage. Sign up for free courses. There are 100% free and online, unlimited access, hundreds of topics. Email marketing, social media marketing, power your business, WhatsApp, integrating the HubSpot, building your business, general data protection, critical things and problems, inbound marketing, LinkedIn marketing, revenue operation, digital marketing, YouTube marketing, social media marketing, SEO, inbound sales, email marketing. There are a lot of marketings. It is also available in free certificates. Thank you for watching, and to learn more details like this, you can subscribe our channel and click the bell icon.